Okay, so we're gonna start with 4 chains. We're gonna make a ring. So I usually do 5 to 6 chain because I think 4 chains is too small I lose the loop. So you're going to, if you've never done this, so you're going to go to your first chain and then grab your yarn and just pull through both of them to make your ring. Magic rings, I do not know how to do magic rings. I don't know why. I tried, I've seen videos, I've tried it, and I just can't get it. I'm not sure. It's one of those things, I guess. So you're gonna chain up 3 and then do 2 double crochets. So if you're familiar with the granny skirt, that's how it starts. If you're not, then you'll learn here. Then you're gonna chain 2 and then do 3 double crochets. Oh, this is a new skein, so I'm going to be pulling on this. Okay, so chain 2. And then do 3 double crochets again. So you should have a total of 4. So you're going to count this as, because the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. It's 1, 2, 3. So you need another one, another set. So chain 2 and then do your 3 double crochets. And this is why I was talking about the ring, or you need to make it a little bit bigger so all the double crochets can fit in it. So then chain 2, and then you're going to attach to the top of the chain 3. So I'm using the same color, so I'm going to slip stitch to the corner. So it says to chain 5. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to do a double crochet in that same space. And then you're going to chain 2, skip 1, and double crochet in the next. So it would be the middle. Chain 2, and then do your corner, which is only double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Then just chain 2, go to the middle, double crochet, and do a double crochet. Chain 2, and then do your corner. Double crochet, chain 3, chain 2, chain 2, double crochet in the middle, double crochet, chain 2, and then your corner. So this is where I slip stitch and it gets a little tricky to get in here. As you're using like cotton yarn, it's really tough. Okay, so chain 2, and then we're gonna attach here to the top of the chain 3, the slip stitch. That's round number 2. So for 3, again, chain up 5, which counts as a double crochet, chain 2. Oh, wait, no. And you slip stitch to the corner, then chain 5. Then do 2 double crochets in that same corner. And then you're going to double crochet all your way across. So double crochet in the chain 2 space, you're going to do 2 double crochets. And then double crochet here on the top of this one, and then 2. And then double crochet crochet on this one. And here you have your corner, which is 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then 2 double crochets, and that's it. That's it. So don't forget to put your 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. So you're supposed to have a total without counting the corners. Oh goodness. So without counting the corner, which is this and this, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have 7 double crochets on each side. If you do not, then something went wrong. Maybe you missed a double crochet. Maybe you just put 1 in here. That would be one possibility. Here at the end, do a double crochet here, and then you're going to do a double crochet here in this little space right here, because this would complete, because when you attach it to the top of the chain 3, then that would complete your corner like this, 2, chain 2, 2, like that. Okay, so let me see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to change colors. So this color is the Bernat Super Value. It's the oatmeal color, and then I'm going to combine it with, and this is the same as I used as a thumbnail, on the thumbnail actually. It's this one's the Big Twist from the late Joanne stores, and it's the plum color. I know Michael's took over the brand when Joanne closed. So I really haven't shopped the brand. I don't know if they have all their colors. I don't know, because I haven't purchased any. I have so much yarn, and I can't. I have to stop buying yarn. Oh, and I just got some more yarn. Red Heart came out with a Red Heart. Was it Jazzy? Oh, and I love the color, so of course I had to buy it. So anyway. Okay, so you're going to attach the yarn in any corner. You want to leave a long tail for weaving in the ends. So this one, you're going to chain up 5 and then do 2 double crochet. So it's going to be like the other, not like the other round. And this one I think is the one, yes. So you're going to chain 1. You're going to skip 1 double crochet and then double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip 1, and then double crochet in the next. Skip 1, chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet in the next. So here at the end, if you have an extra double crochet around here, it means that the count was wrong on this one. You should not have, you have 1 double crochet left. Now I'm going to do my corners, which is the 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Okay, I got interrupted and now I don't remember where I left off. So yeah, the corner, chain 1, double crochet, skip 1 double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then double crochet the next. And that is for round number 4. Here at the end, so chain 2, and then here on the top, chain 3. Go ahead and attach the yarn. Okay, so for row number 5, this is an easy one. Just slip stitch to the chain 2 space, and then it will be oh, you know what? I messed up. I chained 2, and I forgot to do the, here. There's supposed to be a double crochet there. Then attach it. There. Slip stitch, chain 5 again, and then do your 2 double crochets. And then this is going to be just a double crochet all the way across. It would be 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space. And that's it. So double crochet all the way across, and then I've got your corners are going to be the 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet. Here at the end, and then do your double crochet in the chain 2 space to complete the corner, and then just attach your yarn on the top of the chain 3. So for round number 6, it's going to be the same as round number 4. So slip stitch into the corner. If you want to change colors, then just go ahead and attach your yarn to one of the corners. Chain up 5, and then do your 2 double crochets. Then you're going to, yes, you're going to chain 1, skip 1 double crochet, and then do it in the next. Skip 1, chain 1, skip 1, and then double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1. And that is row number, I keep forgetting these rows, number 6. Here at the end, chain 2, and then the double crochet and chain in the corner to complete the corner, in the corner to complete the corner. Okay. Here I'm going to change colors. If you want to continue with the same, just slip stitch into the corner. So the next one is pretty easy. It's the next to last row, and it's just going to be double crochet, as half double crochet all around. So here you would chain, because it's only, let me see, it's only 1 double crochet. I mean half double crochet. So half double crochet, chain 2, plus 2, and then do a half double crochet in the corner. Was I over here? I think I was out of here. So, okay, so attach the yarn, chain 4, and then do half double crochet in the corner, and then just go ahead and half double crochet. You would do half double crochet in the chain 1 space. And that is for round number 7. So for the corner, it's going to be half double crochet, chain 2, and half double crochet. I noticed I made a mistake on row number 6. I don't know why I chained 2. I changed 2 here. So no, row number 6 doesn't end that way. You're supposed to chain 1, then do your double crochet, and then attach it to the top of the chain 3. I was actually focusing on this row right here. And besides, I got distracted again. I keep getting interrupted, so I kind of... But anyway, the previous row, just remember to do chain 1, not a chain 2. The chain 1. Okay. I'm going to continue. And, you know, I make these mistakes, and if I start over again, if every time I made a mistake I would start the videos over, I would never get through these. I would never finish one because, God. Okay, then I'm going to chain 2 and then do your half double crochet. I mean, because sometimes it happens. Sometimes patterns are kind of strange. You think like, why would I chain 2 if over here I chained, you know, 1? So anyway, here at the end, just make sure to do your last half double crochet in the corner and attach it to the top of the chain 2 and that. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to change color. And this time you can attach it anywhere because it's this is the last row, it's just the border. So you would get your yarn and I would do the slip stitch and then you can attach it, I would say here or anywhere actually, because the border is going to be not a single crochet. So I just pull yarn through, but I don't pull it through the loop. I just leave the 2 loops and then I pull that one like this and then continue. And in the corner, in order to make the corner nice and sharp or nice and pointy, I would do 3 double crochets. Oh my God, 3 double single crochets. This is what you get for filming patterns back to back. Get the other video, I kept saying row when it was a round. Okay. And that's it. That's the border. And you do your, again, your 3 single crochets here. If you want to do another round just to make it, I don't know, sometimes I do that just with another color. Here in the corner, make sure to, in this middle one right here, make sure to do, you can do 3 single crochets in this one, in the middle, single crochet, and it will keep the border or the corner nice and, I guess, nice and pointy, semi-round, I'm not sure. And that's it. So that's it for the pattern. I really like it. I normally do not like to do projects that have squares. Just having to make all those squares, I don't know, it gets boring for me. And then having to attach them, it does, I don't know. But this is actually, I like this square, so I may make a small blanket where it doesn't require so many squares, and that way it doesn't drive me crazy. And of course then you have to do all the weaving in the ends thing. They're just, and I think it needs 2 colors, so this part right here can pop out, just a solid color, whatever color, a variegated color, and then a solid color. That would be nice. So that's it. So please feel free to email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.